did the press video. No. San Francisco press video. All the way identical twin POV, and then that. Yo, it's six. So this is the 7th vlog. We are in Dublin. Yo, tomorrow at 10 p.m. I'm getting my head mount. So like, let me see. My head is gonna be like this, right? My head's gonna be like this. I'm gonna drive with 2 hands. It's gonna be way better. Okay. Start it up. Huh. Tight. Why is there a cat in the middle of the road? Nah, shit. Bro, I wish you could hear these pops, bro. Eventually, I'm gonna make it louder. Yo, these pops, bro. I feel weird, bro. He was looking at me. He was like scared, low key. My fault, gang. My fault. My chat. Tight. How y'all boys doing today? How are you doing today, man? Hope you're having a great day. Like, actually, you can't just sit around. You gotta do something every day, bro. That's kind of crazy, buddy. Oh my freaking gosh. Good. That's crazy. We eat these. What am I supposed to do? Just pick it up?
Get the eggs.
Let's pick it up. Can you get the other egg? Or get one egg, you get the other?
No.
It's 2 eggs. That's it. Wow.